Hey everyone, so I am going to give you a room tour for the Virgin Voyages cruise. Welcome to the room tour on Virgin Voyages. This is a sea terrace. Here is the closet on the left hand side. They do provide you with hangers here. I did bring portable hangers. Down below is some shelving, and there are baskets which you can put stuff in. And then up top, you have another shelf where you can. I typically put my shoes up here. This is your call button, your do not disturb button. On the right hand side is your bathroom. And the bathroom is your standard shower, sink, toilet, and then your toiletries. Over here next to your closet, you have more storage, your life jacket, storage, safe, more storage, and then these drawers are more storage. And underneath, you also have another full body mirror, like my outfit. On the left is your refrigerator. They give you fresh water, whether it's still sparkling every day. And then you have your glasses here, your phone, lamp. This is the control. It's kind of like an iPad to control your TV, the blinds, and also to tell you where your muster station is. And this lovely lady over here on the right, hey Yolanda, they provide you a chair, a full body mirror. Not with the okay, thank you. Full body mirror, chair. This is just your table that you can do makeup, or like a desk to do work. I'm hoping you're not doing work on a cruise ship, but have at it. And over here, you also have a stool that you can sit on. Excuse the mess over here. This is a storage, and underneath is a drawer, which I'll show in another video, some hacks for Virgin Voyages. This is a queen size bed in the Sea Terrace cabin. You also have another table over here, and then the lights over the bed. One thing I didn't mention is when your blinds are closed and you open the door, they automatically open. But you have your choice of closing them on this side right here using these controls. Out here is the deck, patio, terrace, however you want to call it. And this is the infamous hammock that you will see on all the terraces on Virgin Voyages. It is a known staple, and anytime you pass by a ship, you can see these hammocks on the water. And here's our view. Currently, we are in Miami. This is a beautiful view of Miami. Stay tuned for some more videos coming up on our adventure on Virgin Voyages. Bye for now.